So this here is rates, utilities, and commissions, right? So rates, specifically utility rates, and commission. Now, utility bills is like your water rates, so water, electricity. We do have gas rates in this country, phone, cable, internet. Recently, they combine all three, right? So this is basically how you calculate how much you owe in terms of your bills, right? So question one, Kerry used 75 meter cubes of water for the month of October 2015. Water rates are as followed. So his usage is 75 meters cubed, right? We have to know that. The rate is 75 cents per cubic meter. So 75 cents per 1 meter cubed for the first 60 meters, 60 meters cubed, and then there's 90 cents per meter cubed for excess of 60 meters cubed, right? Now, GCT is government tax or VAT, right? There should have been VAT. Value added tax is 16%, so you always have to pay the government that. 16.5%. And 10% discount if the bill is paid before the 4th. There's all this information that we're given, right? 10% if bill is paid before 4th of the month. Calculate the amount that Kerry is expected to pay for her water bill if paid on November the 2nd. Right. So what we're gonna do, right? The amount due, right, is a usage is the US multiplied by the rates. Now, since we have 75 cubic meters usage, she falls into both rate categories. So you have to calculate for the first 60 meters cube and then calculate for what is remaining, right? So for the first 60, the usage is a 60 multiplied by the rate, which was 75 cents, right? So 60 multiplied by 0.75. 0.75. So $45. And the amount due for excess is 60, right? Now will be the 75 minus the 60 by the 90 cents, which is 15 by the 90 cents. 15 multiplied by 0.90, which is $13.50. So the total will be the $45 added to the $13.50. So $58.50. Now, remember, VAT will be charged based on this, right? So the VAT amount is 16.5% of this total amount, which is $58.50. So this is 16.5 over 100 multiplied by 58.50 over 1, right? So 16.5 divided by 100, that is percentage, multiply by $58.50. So the VAT amount is $9.65, rounding it off, right? Now, the total would be the amount due plus the VAT amount. So $58.50 plus $9.65. So $58.50 added to $9.65, which is $68.15. So that's normally that would be how much she would have to pay, but remember she got a discount, right? Now the discount amount is 10% because she paid on the 3rd, and once you pay before the 4th, you get the discount, right? So she paid on the 3rd. So how much she will have to pay, right, is 90% of the bill. So she paid 90%. So 90% over was 90 over 100 multiplied by the total amount, $68.15. Right, and we will use a calculator again for that. 90 divided by 100.9 multiplied by $68.15. So she would pay $61.34. Remember, you have to round up, right? So she would pay that amount. So number 2, so again, the school uses 1,250 cubic meters. So this is a usage. 1,250 meters cubed of water in August 2015, the water rates, right? So the rate for the first 400 meters cube is 75 cents. The rate for the second or the next 600 meter cube is 850. 85 cents. And in excess of 1,000 meters is 95 cents. So the amount due, right, is a usage by the rate, right? So for first 400 meters cubed, it'll be 400 multiplied by 75 cents. So 400 by 0.75 equal So $300. So the next 600 will be 600 cubic meters by 85 cents. 0.85. So 600 by 0.85, which is $510. And for the remainder, we have to figure out how much the remainder is, right? And the remainder will be 1250 minus 1,000 minus 1,000 by the rate, which is 0.95 cents. So this is 250 by 0.95. 250 multiplied by 0.95 equal $237.50. So once they evaluate the amount the government will pay. Now they didn't say anything about taxes, so you don't have to add taxes, right? So the total is 300 add 510 add 237.50. So again 300 add 510 add 237.50. Okay. So the school will have to pay $1,047.50. So number 3, right? The rates as followed. The usage will be the current reading minus the previous reading. Right, so 6,403 minus the previous reading is 4,175. I think this is in kilowatts per hour, right? So 6,403 subtract 4,175 equal 2,228 kilowatts used this month. Now, everybody rates is 45 cents per kilowatt of fuel charge. This is based on the entire amount, right? Then 24 cents per the first 1,000 kilowatt used, and 23 cents per kilowatt for the remainder. Right? So the first thing we did was to find the usage. B, the fuel charge is based on all the usage, so the usage by the rate again. So 2,228 multiplied by 0.45. So $228, sorry, multiplied by 0.45 is equal $1,002, sorry, decimal point, at 6 cents. Part C, the electricity bill for June. Now, when they want the electricity bill, they want the total amount, right? Now, they want how much we're being charged based on how much we use now. So for the first 1,000 kilowatts per hour will be the usage by the rate. And since we use more than 1,000, it will be a full 1,000 multiplied by the rate amount, which was 24 cents. So 1,000 multiplied by 0.24, $240. Search for the excess of 1,000 right? We need to know how much was the excess. So the excess would have been how much you use in total, 2,228 minus 1,000 by the rate, just 23 cents. So this would have been 1,228 kilowatts multiplied by 0.23. One, two, two, 8 multiplied by 0.23 equal $282.44. Now, the total bill will be the fuel charge plus the charge for the 1,000 plus the excess of 1,000. So it'll be $1,002.60, whatever is 60 cents, add $240, add $282.44. So 1002.60 add 240 add 282.44. So at the end, you'll have to pay $1,525.04.